I'm Eliza, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a super low carb chicken pho or pho, I'm not sure exactly how you say it. We're going to start off with the stock. Cut up 1 brown onion, then add a large pot to your stove and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once that's hot enough, add in your onion and then give it a stir. Add in 500 ml of chicken stock. Now to add in the flavour for the soup base. I used a lot of stocks and powders, but I recommend using the actual ingredient if you can. I've already added in my garlic and cinnamon stick, however I need to add in 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground sumac, 2 star anise, and a pinch of chili flakes. This is one of the last batches of homemade chili that Michael's grandparents made before they passed away. And lastly, a tablespoon of reduced salt soy sauce. Mix it all up and add another 500 milliliters of water. Then add in your chicken breasts. They're going to poach in the stock for about 25 minutes. Almost forgot to add in the coriander. You can cut it up if you prefer. Whilst we're waiting for the stock to finish, rinse your Konjac noodles under warm water. I find this helps to reduce that squeaky sort of texture that Konjac noodles can have. And you can use zucchini noodles for this if you prefer. Once the chicken is done, take it out and set it aside. Now I added my noodles in straight away, however I recommend straining your stock first before adding in your noodles and your cut up baby bok choy. Shred your chicken using 2 forks, or if you know a better method, do that and please comment below and let me know what it is. Your stock should now be ready. Remove it from the heat and then strain it. Separate out your noodles and bok choy. Make sure you take out the star anise and your cinnamon stick as well. Now that we have all our components ready, we can start to make our bowls. I add the noodles first, then the chicken, and then the stock. Top it off with some bean sprouts and a squeeze of lemon juice. If you're making a large batch of this for a meal prep, store everything separately and then make your bowl as you go. Everything will stay fresher longer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more low carb recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.